Before I finish, let's sit down. Wewe mtu ya bunge, yes, chairman wa bunge, kuja hapa semeko kitu. You can distribute from here.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I really want to appreciate you for the support you are giving sportsmen and women in this country. And just as you have put it, I think it is now the right time for the sportsmen to have gotten a government that supports talent. And I want to be very categorical, and Your Excellency, appreciate the gifts and the motivation that you are giving to the sportsmen and women. Yeah. During my time, it was hard to get any motivation out of this. But I want to encourage the young men and women who are talented in this area, that as you get the motivation, I want to urge you to play clean, because that is the only way we are going to make Kenya proud going forward. As the chairman of Sports Committee in Parliament, we will do the right thing in terms of legislation to make sure that whatever you have put across, Your Excellency, we will make it sure that it goes in the right legislation. And particularly, you have said something that has touched my heart, that the funds that we get from the betting should now not be diverted to do something else, but let it just go to the sportsmen and improve their lives. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for giving us that opportunity.